Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix blurry stories on Instagram, upload HD Instagram stories updated guide. For us to be able to begin, just open Instagram onto your device. So the first thing that you need to check in here is to make sure that you have the latest version of the app. To do so, just head onto your app store and check if there are any updates available for your Instagram account. So an outdated version of Instagram might contain bugs or errors that might have your stories on a blur. Then right after, once you've checked onto that, you should also check your internet connection. So poor internet connection might have your Instagram stories also onto a blur. And if you've tried to check on both and your stories are still blurry, then you could try to tweak out the settings in here. So simply click onto the profile icon here onto the bottom part to get redirected here onto your Instagram screen or profile. Then click onto the three horizontal lines. Then we'll have to scroll down in here until you find in the option for your app and media. So under that, we have media quality. So just make sure that upload at highest quality is toggled on. So this will prioritize uploading your stories onto the highest quality, your photos and videos, even if uploading takes longer. So when this is off, it will automatically adjust the upload quality to fit the network condition of your device. And that is how easy to fix blurry stories on Instagram. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.